I'm coming! Steady. Okay, he has one final here.
Oh my God!
Holy shit! Hey, come on! Hell yeah! Woo! Oh gosh! Yeah, look at that! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! Pick it up! It's gonna die! My god! Pick that thing up! Pick it up, Kyle! Here. This thing's like 2 feet long! 2 feet long! I wonder how much... oh my god!
That's just sick, dude. I just go in, I pick it up, I'm like, God, that's heavy.
Holy cow! This is huge!
How much do you think he weighs?
That's 4 pounds. 4 pounds. Maybe 3 or 4.
Come on, hurry.
4 pounds.
Dude, I want to catch another one.
That's Eddie!
Yeah!
Woo! Oh my god! Oh shit! It took it. Took the hook. It broke the line.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Yeah! Yeah, buddy,
All right,
dude!
we're going to put him back in right here.
Okay, do you want to measure this thing? Holy!
No, oh God! Put him in.
Do you want to measure him?
No, just put him in.
All right, guys, this is
Poor thing.
this is huge,
That's
dude.
huge, dude.
I love when that happens.
Love that thing.
Thank you, Fishy. Thanks, Fish.
That thing's huge.
I did not know he had big fish like this. He's splashing me.